Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how I took an old cabinet door that I had in my kitchen and turned it into a really nice decoration piece for my laundry room. I hope that you like it and let's get started.
I was actually going to trash this door, but I wanted to make something out of it. So I decided to make a sign, and I went ahead and painted it green. I wanted to stay away from the black and white classic farmhouse look for the sign. After the paint was dry, I drew some lines because I wanted to have a saying that says keep the change and laundry above it, but the letters were just too big on these stencils that I got from Walmart. These stencils cost me less than $4 and I can reuse them again. I went ahead and painted the inside of the stencil white, and I did 3 coats of the Waverly white chalk paint, and it did bleed through a little bit, but it didn't matter to me because I was going to sand it over and I could easily fix it with the green paint also. So yeah, the rest I freehand the saying under it, and it turned out really nice. If you're gonna do a sign like this, don't freehand any words with pencil. I would suggest freehanding the words with chalk and filling it in with your chalk paint later. As you can see, the never is going up instead of straight. I cannot write straight, even if it's in the lined paper, so I did my best. But later on, I freehanded the word never with chalk and filled in the letter with my chalk paint, and it was pretty easy. It didn't show through. With the pencil, it showed through, and I had to do multiple coats. And with this one, it was just 2 coats that I had to do, so it turned out way better than I expected. As you can see, my freehand was not perfect when I went over it with the paintbrush, so I took my paintbrush and took some green paint and went ahead and cleaned it up a little bit before I went to sand it. I wanted to sand this piece because I wanted it to look old, and worn, like it's been sitting in a laundry room. So that's my style. I like it. It looks really nice in my laundry room. But I wanted to add some more details that will make it more me. So I went ahead and got some jute twine because there's no farmhouse style without jute twine, and put some hooks under it. But yeah, laundry is a never-ending story in my house. And yeah, I hope that you like this video. And if you're new to my channel, thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.